What is going on, YouTube? It is your boy Shampoo again, back with another video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel, Sean Pennington Reviews. And if you're subscribed, thank you for subscribing to my channel. And today's video, this is just pretty much a yeared update. I'm on my 12th week, and see, it's coming in. Haven't really done anything different in terms of like supplementation. Still taking a multivitamin, the biotin. Haven't changed anything really. Drinking a lot more water though, trying to get in the water at least. Yeah, nothing's really changed much. I'm thinking about trying the Live Bearded supplement, the beard boost, but I don't know. And I don't really need it, and you don't really need that stuff. You don't need to take it. I'm just trying to optimize my beard growth, so maybe I might try it, I might not, but you don't really need that stuff. You'd be fine with just a multivitamin and biotin. I like trying stuff out, you know, to see if it works or if it doesn't. But I wanted to pose a question to all my subscribers and to whoever watches the video. When do you begin to trim? Like, I've heard, like, you know, grow it as long as you can, or 6 months. I mean, I've heard different answers. I mean, like, and I'm kind of at that point where I kind of need to do something about my mustache because it is over my lip, like, and my goal was to not really mess with this, like, just let it grow as long as it possibly can before I do something to it. Because normally what I do, I just comb it to the side and just deal with it, just, you know, with the hairs going up my nose and mouth or whatever. I just deal with it. And this is just to pose the question: when do you trim? Like, I mean, do you trim once a month, twice a month, once every 6 months, once every 3 months, once a year? I don't know, but I mean, I made this mistake before when I grew my beard out the first time. I was like hacking at it, and I was really trying to go for as long as I possibly can grow it, and I kept hacking at it, trying to really get it like really neat. And I know how I am. Once I start trimming it, I start like really analyzing it too much, and then I overdo it, and then I end up regretting it. So I just wanted to pose the question: when do you trim? Now, I've heard other like YouTubers and stuff talk about this topic. I've heard Darius Lumpkin talk about it. Check out his channel. I've heard Barber talk about this topic. Check out his channel as well. Great channels. They're both great channels. Beard Times with Scott, Dan C. Who else? No BS Reviews. I go on and on. Like, I mean, yeah, this topic, like they've talked about when to trim, when not to trim. And I'm gonna be honest, like, I kind of just like want to, because my hair is kind of going past my neck a little bit, so if I look straight, you can kind of really can't see the neckline, so I really don't want to do nothing. But it's like I kind of want to look somewhat neat. I don't want to look that bad, but yeah, I just wanted to pose the question to y'all: when to trim, when not to trim. And yeah, that's pretty much it with the yeared update, and nothing really changed much. I got a couple reviews I gotta do. I gotta do a review on Johnny Slicks, and do a review on Grizzly Grease and Fable. I got a couple, like, it's gonna be a while before I even get those videos out, because I gotta actually wear it for at least about 5 days before I can really say anything about the product. Because I've only been wearing the Johnny Slicks for 4 days. I'm gonna go one more day, then do a review. But yeah, I'm gonna sum up this video. Hope y'all have a good rest of y'all day. Enjoy the day. Get through the work day. And if y'all, done with work, kudos. And I hope you had a good day at work. And sum up this video. I'm gonna sum it up with I got this from Shannon Briggs, the 2-time heavyweight champ. And if you don't know who that is, look him up on YouTube, look him up on Instagram. Dude is like hella like funny, but he's kind of motivational, get you amped. I'm gonna sum this up with "Let's go, champ! Let's go!" And I'm gonna sum up this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.